Now, we will introduce you TFN F7 series optical timed mirror reflectometer system settings. Click Settings, enter the System Settings interface. The left area can be slid up and down. View the options. The right area shows detailed information. Backlight settings, slide to adjust screen brightness. You can also set the sleep mode. Date and time settings, the current time of the machine can be set. After the setup is complete, click Save. Language settings, the system language can be set. Default support Chinese and English. Customized operating languages are also supported. Power settings, automatic shutdown time after no operation can be set. In the network settings, you can set the automatic shutdown time after no operation and can set IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Connection setting, USB port can be switched on and off. Turn Bluetooth on or off. Sound settings, you can set various prompt tones. Lock screen settings, power on password can be set. After setting the password, you need to enter the password to enter the system. Save settings, you can view the internal storage space of the machine. Default startup program, you can set the program interface after the machine is turned on according to your needs. For example, set the default setup program to OTDR. After powering on, you will directly enter the OTDR test interface. Warning: alarm prompt can be turned on or off. Software update settings. The software version can be upgraded via USB flash drive or remotely. Restoring factory settings can reset the machine at the factory. About this machine can display device information. F7 supports quick operation. Pull down from any areas of the blue status bar to call up the shortcut menu, quick brightness adjustment, screen capture, and other operations. In power on state, click the power button to turn off the screen. It can save power to a certain extent. Click the power button again to turn on the screen. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Click Yes. F7 will shut down. TFN F7 series optical timed mirror reflectometer system setup introduction completed. Thank you for choosing TFN.